Hey everyone, welcome back to Quiz Suho. Guess all 20 famous restaurant using only 2 emoji. You have just 10 seconds for each question. Don't forget like and subscribe. Let's begin. Let's start with an easy one. Can you guess this restaurant? Boom, it's Burger King. Let's start. Here your next challenge. Any guesses? Final answer is Starbucks. Only pizza lover will get this one. Time's up. It's Pizza Hut. Nice one. Can you solve these emoji puzzles? The correct answer is Subway. Keep it going. Can you spot the different emoji? Time's up. There is the odd emoji. Did you find it? Let's move on. This one should be easy. The answer is KFC. Easy, right? Can you guess the famous restaurant? It's Taco Bell. Great job. Let's make it little harder. Correct answer is Panda Express. Did you know it? Think carefully before you answer. It's Chipotle. That was tricky one. Can you recognize this one? The answer is Dunkin'. The burger chain is famous. Do you know? Boom! It's In-N-Out Burger. Her sweet challenge. The correct answer is Dairy Queen sweet. Who can guess this one? It's Wendy. You are doing awesome. Almost there. What you guess? The correct answer is Domino's. Nice work. Can you find the different emoji? Time's up. There it is. That's the odd emoji. Ready for the final round. Let's go. Ready for another challenge. It's Popeye. Did you guess it? This one is a bit tricky. Wingstop is the correct answer. Is great guessing. Can you feel the heart? It's Bless Pizza. That was hot. Only one question left this. The answer is White Castle. One more to go.